Is it Ray?
That's it. Trying to get the body. Go, Ray. Stop. Man coming, man coming. Man on.
Why are you guys all squashed together?
So he did choose these. I think he could play with them That is so true.
Little Ethan.
Hamza.
Oh, pulling on the jersey.
Good job, Hamza.
Take your time, guys. We switch. Come on.
Oh my God.
Well done, boys. Way to get back.
He put the guy off balance. He's on.
It's on. Let's go. Go, Robert. Faster. You're faster.
Corner.
Boys, attack the ball!
My joke. He's like, but I like that ball better. Over here.
You're supposed to see what's going on.
Because they retreated. Look at it. It's massive. And the roof in a pool. I've had that for like the last 5 years. Oh, we need to like do this. But it doesn't. Oh, it just drives me nuts because it's like stuck there. Do you have a phone? So office and being yes, that will help. We might at first learn to love it. When she told me to do that, so I'm going to do it. She's doing it the right way.
Switch it, switch it, switch it. Talk, Ray, talk, Ray!
Hey. Ray. Ray.
They kind of look at the same. Who? Ray and Ray. Oh.
Come on, Shady.
Well done, Shady.
You call?
Reset, boys, reset!
That's okay. Nothing wrong with that. We need a little bit of that. Logan's in Toronto, so
Ray, be ready.
Go, Ray. Go, Ray.
Go, Ray. To it.
Come to. I'm trying to come to terms because I know he's just. I heard Crystal. He'll always come back, but he like won't. I know it. Oh, I'll tell you what. Ontario housing prices are way too expensive. Yeah. He will always come back. I'm just gonna tell you. Well, you can get there for 500. You can't get there for 1.5. And I'm not exaggerating.
Oh, is it Ray? You went in? Don't stop.
If you blind sometimes, there's some things I look at him and why
What do you?
what he put up
It's okay, Ray. Don't worry, buddy. Turn your face, drop.
Ray.
Yes, he did.
Keep winning it, boys.
Push it back. 15's you. Hey. Sir. Yes, sir. Bin.
Good run, Finn.
Try.
Just to see the competition.
Vinny, that's you, Vinny.
Go, boys.
Ray, talk, Ray. Go, get you, Ray. Now you go.
Keep going, Hamza. 1-on-1.
And Hamza, you're gonna be sandwiched. Nice.
He's got the ball.
Oh. Come on, Ray. Boys. Oh.
Didn't come back for that. Go, Hamza.
On your way, Ian. Dixie's got it. Dixie's got it.
Like my English teacher tried to explain to me.
It's offside. You ready, Ian?
Oh yeah. English.
Keeper.
Turn again.
Yes. Oh, too much.
Whoa,
Was that lightning?
that was far away. That's past our
I
field.
don't know. I blinked and I just saw like something, so I wasn't sure.
Nothing there.
Oh, God. Simulation. Give him a yellow.
What happened?
Now you go, Ray.
There we go. Nice rock, middle.
Put it back.
Come on, come back, Shane. Go, Ray. Go, Ray.
Yes, Ray. Oh, good job. Nice. Ethan. Tacoma sent me a text at like 3:30 in the morning, and he's like, I really love cooking with you.
Time, Ray, time.
1v1, Ray. 1v1.
Take him.
Yes, Ray. Oh, I'm not
Handball. Thank you.
Text.
You ready, Ray?
Keep with them.
That's ours.
Okay, Ray.
Okay, Ray, turn and face. You ready, guys?
That's a good play. Don't worry about it.
Keith, go. Keith, go.
There it is. That's all it takes.
Come on, get him.
Technically, we're good.
Boys?
Man.
Well done. Turn.
Get back now, guys.
Good ball.
Good, Chappie. But then, like, my soul is good job, Benny. Season. I just yes, thank you.
Oh,
Good card.
yellow. That is a card.
No cards today, huh, Rush? You must have forgot them.
He gave him a yellow already, one of them.
Watch the other side.
I keep thinking of like everybody having another
Nate's coming in.
that's like chest
Make the run inside, Rob. Release.
Oh.
Oh, good try, Ian. Good job, Ray.
Well, Ramon wanted like a doctor's
She's, yeah, like she's really like getting songs. Pressure, boys.
That's right. Okay. Let's go, Ray.
Good. Well done. You got London.
Beware, Ian. That's ours.
Sorry.
Set. That's all. Turn.
Good luck here, Ian.
Carlos, go. Turn. Right. Hey, Walker.
Man on you.
Keep going, Ray.
That's it. Good jockey. Good jockey.
Job, Ian. Hold the line.
Yeah, no.
And his little dramatic. I honestly don't see what you are. I know. Okay?
Check the last defender, Ray.
The other
Where you
way.
can go.
No offsides on goal kicks, eh?
I'm watching the games on this. I'm not sure why that ball's on Facebook.
Now they
Right, left. Right, right.
Maybe he likes the color of their jerseys better. Maybe. The goalie's wearing is green. Yeah, our girl's colorblind. Must not. That's interesting.
Now you go, Ray. Now you go.
Let's through.
Yes.
Now go.
Alright.
Unfortunate, Ray. Good job, buddy.
That's all.
Long throw. Long throw. Good long throw.
Landon. Let's go, Eddie. Let go.
I mix whatever it is right now.
Oh my God.
Just kick it back to your goalie. There you go. Right on. Doesn't have to be a conversation. Let's go.
Hold the line, hold the line.
Oh, come on. Oh.
Man on, Hamza, man on. Down the line. Beat him down the line.
Hey. Job, Ray. Oh, there was lightning. That wasn't even rough for the ball.
Well done.
Man on, Nolan, man on.
Hands. You can use your hands.
Hands.
I think he was outside the box. Yeah. We don't want another card.
You are in.
Watch the run.
Ian, behind you. Nice. Get that ball.
Nice job.
Well done. Well done, Ted.
You got it. Eventually. One day I'll get those. I'll get those too. Job, Vinny.
both
And then-
quicker.
They have good control, they're just not dirty.
No idea. 6:30.
I'm coming in.
Turn and face, Ray.
I get it. That's what I am.
Switch! Teddy in.
Get to the end.
Oh. But they were like standing like behind each other and both their legs were going like. This thing is bad. Done. Stretching his butt cheek.
Hey, Wendell.
Oof. Job, Ethan. Get to it, Mac.
Win it, boys, win it. That's the push in the back.
Show Ian, show Ian. Nobody's there.
Come on, JD!
Yeah!
Nice finish, JD.
You guys all forgot about me. No press.
Good.
Send. Oh, unfortunate. Keep going, Rob. Ian, go get it. Drop.
I can't even think of
The top.
Please.
Come on, Ray. Be there, Ray.
Let's you, Ray. Let's you. Yeah.
Down him.
Now we switch.
Drop in, Ray. Drop in. Win this!
Okay, Nolan, win the ball, buddy. Let's go.
Sort it out, boys.
Hold on, Ian.
Little clear.
Get rid of it.
Time.
Time. Vinny.
Come on, Rob. Be aware, Ray.
What's that? Oh, thank
I go.
That's it, Hamza. That's all right. That's good. Long throw, boys.
Clear. Come on, Robert.
That's it, Robert.
Keep working, Rob. Come on, Shady, get there with him.
You got it.
John.
No shot.
Good save, Vinny. Pretty sure that's time.
35 minutes.
Really?
35 minutes.
Isn't the game only supposed to get to 10:15?
Maybe that's why you cut the half. For 40 minutes. For 42 minutes. Now get rid of it.
Release.
Attack this, Robert!
Release.
There you go.
Man.
Oh, get there.
Careful, Ian. Ray, watch wide.
Behind you guys.
Oh my God.
Don't get sucked in, Ray.
Nothing just there. Go boys, 7 minutes. Nice shot.
Oh my God! Is it putting like that? Decline it.
Spoken like a true German. That was close. Talk, Ray. Talk, Ray. Go, Ray. Talk to him. That's danger.
Shady.
No. Just looking at how nasty they're looking. It looks not so nice.
Beware, Ian. Come back, Ray. Help, Ray.
Mark up.
Come on, to it, Robert.
Don't worry about it. Win this, win this.
Come on, Shady.
Thank you. That was plain like, here, I'm going to grab you well.
Oh. Slipped on a dandelion.
Keep up the trash. Call that.
Well done, Vinny.
You ready, Ray?
Blue ball.